Hey guys, we know every construction worker needs the best tools to maintain high quality on their jobs. That's why today we're here with some of the new construction tools from all the prominent brands. So, which tool comes first when a professional takes on a project? A laser level. That's why we have kept this Bosch laser leveling tool at the very first on our list. This is a solid choice for construction pros who need a reliable solution for leveling and alignment. It shoots bright green 360-degree laser lines, which makes the layout work quickly and accurately. Plus, it's built tough with an IP65 rating, so it can handle dust, water, and rough job sites without a problem. When it comes to power, you have options. You can use either the 12-volt max rechargeable battery or switch to AA batteries if needed. What's even better is its Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you adjust settings right from your phone using the Bosch Leveling Remote app. On top of that, the built-in VisiMax technology helps keep the laser bright while conserving battery life. Now, we have something that will do all your cutting jobs in the blink of an eye. This is the Hilti Nuron ATC cutoff saw. This tool brings serious power to the job site without the hassle of gas and delivers the same performance as a gas saw. So you don't have to bear the pain of fumes, loud noise, or heavy maintenance. Plus, the built-in anti-kickback feature adds an extra layer of safety, so you can stay in control while cutting through tough materials. With 2 sets of batteries, these saws provide the same power as a full tank of gas, so you get long run times without having to stop and refuel. On top of that, the built-in torque control stops the blade in under a second if the saw kicks back or gets dropped, reducing the risk of accidents. With less vibration and smoother operation, these saws make cutting concrete, steel, or masonry easier and more precise. If you're looking for a hole puncher that works hard without slowing you down, this one's got you covered. Say hello to the Makita GPP01 metal hole puncher. This tool is up to 25% faster than other models, saving you time on the job. Plus, it's designed for convenience. The grip handle rotates 360 degrees, so you can position it however you need, even in tight spaces. The punch stop mechanism is another great feature because it automatically pulls back the die after each punch, letting you keep working without interruptions. Need precision? No problem. The adjustable depth guide lets you set punch locations up to 1 37/64 inches from the edge of your workpiece. It handles general steel up to 3/8 of an inch thick and stainless steel up to 8/32 of an inch. So you get power, speed, and accuracy all in one tool. If you're tired of wrestling with stiff or slumped concrete, the Dewalt POWERSHIFT Power Screed is here to make your life easier. This cordless screed gives you total control with a variable speed trigger that ranges from 0 to 7,800 vibrations per minute, so you can adjust it based on the slump and even break through fresh, cold joints. It's designed for comfort too, with adjustable handlebars and controls that can be mounted on either the left or right side and rotated a full 180 degrees. Because long days on the job shouldn't mean sore hands and bad posture. Plus, it's super versatile, working with L-shaped boards that have 9-inch hole spacing or MBW and multi-vibe style boards using the included adapters. And with the ability to lock it at full speed, you can keep a steady rhythm without constantly squeezing the trigger. Tired of dealing with all that dust when drilling overhead? The Milwaukee 16mm SDS-PLUS hammer is here to make your life a lot cleaner and easier. It's the world's first integrated dust extractor drilling hammer, designed specifically for overhead work. With a built-in HEPA filter that catches 99.97% of airborne particles as tiny as 0.3 microns, you'll breathe easier while you work. The dust box is translucent, so you can easily see when it's getting full and know exactly when to empty it. Plus, the flexible dust shroud is perfect for drilling in tight spots, like between pipes, especially overhead, helping you stay comfortable and efficient. Thanks to auto-stop technology, the tool shuts down automatically to protect you from sudden movements if it binds up. And the anti-vibration system and side handle work together to keep vibrations low, reducing fatigue and making it easier to keep drilling for longer periods. Next up, we have a powerful nailer for roof construction pros. The Metabo 18-volt cordless nailer has you covered. It lets you nail without the hassle of compressed air hoses or cables, giving you maximum freedom on the job. With the ability to drive nails up to 90 millimeters in length, it delivers high-impact energy and uses pneumatic impact technology for consistent performance. The brushless motor makes it even more efficient. And with the fast-fire sequence driving up to 2 nails per second, you'll get through tasks in no time. Whether you're framing or working on other heavy-duty jobs, this cordless nailer offers the perfect combination of power and mobility. Wrapping up with the Klein MODbox wire spool dispenser. This tool can hold up to 4 500-foot spools of 10 AWG wire inside, with the option to add more spools outside via a through hole for conduit. The open front design makes pulling wire easy and quick, and it lets you check your inventory without a hassle while you're working. With front guides for smooth wire pulling and a wire capture system that keeps things from unraveling. This dispenser helps you keep the wire deployment on track. The lid, equipped with a metal kickstand, stays open for vertical sealing pulls, giving you easy access to the wire. Built tough from impact-resistant polymers, it can support up to 120 pounds, and the steel-reinforced lock location on the lid keeps everything secure. Plus, the built-in side rails allow you to connect other MODbox components, so you can customize your mobile workstation to fit your needs. Rubber plugs also provide extra stability for your reels while pulling wire, helping everything run smoothly. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the useful hand tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.